Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us. As you can see on the screen, this is the before. This is how my friend's house looked like, and he had this TV stand that you see on the screen. So we are going to be making a new TV stand slash transforming his sitting room. So as you can see on the screen, these are the pieces of wood that are our MDFs that I'm going to be using in this project today. So make sure to watch the video till the end to fully understand all the steps, all the materials that I've used in this video. I know it's a festive season, and I just decided to close this year with 2 videos. This is the first video, and I'll be dropping another video on Friday. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload this video. And also when I upload the Friday video, you will get notified to close your year with two of these videos. So make sure to show some festive love by liking this video, commenting on it. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. And I wish you happy holidays, happy travel, and safe travelings whenever you are traveling. So now I'm just starting by joining the pieces together. As I said earlier, watch the video till the end so that you fully understand all the steps and materials, tools that I've used in this video. So now here, as you can see on the screen, I'm done joining all the pieces together. That is the boards. What is remaining for me is to do the first sanding. That is, I'm going to sand them, and then I'm going to be doing a first coat. This is an undercoat, and I'll be using a water-based white color. As you can see, I've already painted, but I'm not going to show you how I'm going to paint because you just use a spray gun or you can use brushes. So I've already applied the first coat. I'm waiting for it to dry, then go for a second and a third coat before I do the final coat which I'm going to be explaining later on in the video. So now for this paint here that I've used, it's called Superfast, provided by Duracoat company. It's a water-based undercoat. You usually use this one before going for the final one, which is in this case I'm going to be using this 2K acrylic paint, which I'm going to be using with its thinner, acrylic thinner, and also I'm going to be using this small chemical here, which is going to help me with the paint to dry fast. So now after that I'm going to mix them and then apply it as a last coat, so that it can bring a nice finish and a shiny surface. But you will see in the final reveal how it will turn out. So this is what I was talking about. As you can see, the final touches or the final product, you can see it's shiny, it's smooth, and it's of good quality. And for this part here that you see, I painted black. So for this TV stand, it had a black and white theme because my client wanted, or my friend wanted, that theme. And then for the last step, I'm going to be covering the bottom parts of these drawers, because it has two drawers, and then put the handles, the drawer rails, and then after that I'll be joining the pieces together, but you will see in the video, and then I will show you the final reveal. Before showing you the final reveal, there is another step that I'm going to be doing. I'll be using remote control lights, that is strip lights. I'm going to be using them in this TV stand because my client wanted it to have some lights. And then after that you will see the final reveal. Make sure to tell me what you think about the video in the comment section. Don't forget to like it and sharing with your friends and family. Yeah, don't forget to also follow me in TikTok, the same name, All Things With Us. And about Instagram, I usually use my name, but soon I'm going to be changing the name to All Things With Us. So if you're interested, just comment down below and I will tell you more about this. Thank you for watching.